येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधीः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंवृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्षवेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। उपदेश साहस्री तत्वमसि प्रकरणम in 83rd shloka it was said buddhi, which is not atma, not drashta, but appears as drashta, just like ayah pindaha is not agni, but because of agni sanyoga it appears as agni. And then how the Vispulingas are there, they are like buddhi vritti. Further, page number 275. अस्मिन् पक्षे लौकिक वैदिक व्यवहार सिद्धिरपि सुसंपादा इत्याह. In this paksha, laukika and vaidika vyavahara also you can explain. In this paksha means when you accept that atma and buddhi, between them there is anyonya adhyasa, because of which there is formation of chidabhasa. With that, laukika vyavahara, tisthami, gacchami, karomi, bhunte, bhunje, etc. And Vaidika Vyavahara also, Jiva, Dharma, all this you can explain. Abhasastadabhavasya Drishehe Simno na Janyatha Lokasya Yuktitah Syatam Tadgrahascha Tatha Sati. Abhasastadabhavasya Drishehe Simno na Janyatha Lokasya Yuktitah Syatam तद्ग्रहश्च तथा सति. आभासः तदभावश्च दृशेः सीम्नः न च अन्यथा. दृशेः सीम्नः सकाशात्, you should understand. आभासः tadabhavasya. Abhas means bhanam here. Here abhasa is not chidabhasa. And tadabhava means absence of this cognition. Na cha anyatha, not otherwise. Lokasya. Lokasya will go with the previous one. So the Anvay will be like this. Lokasya abhasaha, lokasya abhasa abhavasya, drishehe simnaha sakashat न च अन्यथा स्याताम युक्तितः स्याताम न च अन्यथा युक्तितः स्याताम. तद्ग्रहश्च तथा सति तद्ग्रहश्च स्यात्. So what is he saying? Atma is called here as Drishi. Drishehe is Shashti Vibhakti. Atma is also given the name Seeman. Seeman. Seeman Shabda. Seemnaha. What is the Vibhakti?
Shashti.
Shashti. And then in Seeman, Makara has Akara. That Akara Lopa will happen. This will become Seemnaha. How? What is the sutra? How Akara Lopa takes? Allopo naha. Nakaranta Shabda is there. Seeman. It becomes Seemnaha. Like Rajan. Shashti will be what?
Rajan.
Rajnyaha, not Raja. Rajnyaha. Jakar Nakar will connect. Alloponaha. So Atma, for Atma, another word is used, Seeman. Means it is the ultimate boundary for everything, ultimate thing. It is a Seema. Lokasya abhasah, lokasya abhavascha. So, loka here, in general, everything you can take, loka shabda can work for anything. But here, loka means buddhi. Because external world, whether it is there or not, how do you know? Through buddhi only. Dhiya sahodeti, dhiyastameti, lokastato dhi pravibhasya eshaha. Then, anybody is there? धीलोक जन्म क्षय धाम पूर्णम सद्वस्तु जन्म क्षय शून्यमेकम. When dhi means buddhi or ahankara, when it arises, jagat arises. Dhiya saha udeti, dhiya saha astameti. So anvaya vyatireka, if you do, jagat is nothing but buddhi. So for lokaha, he just uses buddhi. How easy it is to do anvaya vyatireka? How difficult it is to understand? World is outside world is nothing but my buddhi only, my mind only. All I need to do is take care of my mind, not the world. Not this person is like this, that person is like this. There is no end. Yuktitaha atmanaha sakashat syata. So when Atma is there, in its proximity, buddhi and buddhi vritti, their presence and absence are recognized. And tadgrahasya, tadgraha means buddhi grahanam in the form of aham vritti, aham asmi. Atma nirgun nirakar, nirvikalpa, one chaitanya, cannot express as aham asmi. But when expressed in buddhi as Chidabhasa, then so many jivas, all of them can express as aham asmi, as individuals. So that tathasati tadgrahascha syat. That tadgraha means atmanaha abhasa rupena अपरिच्छिन्नस्य परिच्छिन्न रूपेण ग्रहणम. some of these are not elaborated in Tika. Huh? Tika is brief, but you have to understand how to apply these things for yourself. See in Tika. Simnaha avadibhutayaha drishehe चिदात्मनः सकाशात् एव लोकस्य आभासः तद अभावश्च प्रत्ययश्च तद अभावश्च स्याताम् युक्तितः युक्तेः उपपत्तेः न च अन्यथा. So in the proximity of Atma, lokasya abhasah and lokasya abhavah. Pratyayasya and their pratyaya buddhi vritti. So Atma directly does not illumine lokaha. This you have to remember. External world is not illumined directly by Atma. External world is only illumined paramparagata by Atma. Atma produces Chidabhasa in Buddhi. Chidabhasa will illumine external world. Pratyasya and the Pratyaya Buddhi Vritti. Tadabhavasya Syada. Yuktitaha. With this Yukti means whatever that Siddhanti has been explaining so far. Yuktehe upapattehe. Na cha anyatha, not otherwise. Tatha sati. Abhasa anabhyupagame sati. But because this Abhasa, if you don't accept Chidabhasa, then प्रत्यय भावा भावयोः प्रत्यय ग्राह्यत्व अयोगात् ततो अत्यन्तमेव विविक्तस्य च आत्मनस् तद्ग्राहकत्व अनुपपत्तेः. प्रत्यय भावा भावयोः बुद्धिवृत्ति, their presence and absence, प्रत्यय ग्राह्यत्व अयोगात्, प्रत्यय ग्राह्यत्व will not be there. ततो अत्यन्तमेव विविक्तस्य, and therefore अत्यंत विविक्त Atma, which is extremely different from the world, extremely different from the buddhi. Atyantam eva viviktasya cha atmanaha tad grahakatva anupapattehe. Tad grahakatva, jagat grahakatva or buddhi grahakatva is not there. Abhasa dwara tu sambandhat, but Chidabhasa formation will make it possible. संबंधात आत्मनो बुद्धिवृत्ति भाव अभाव साक्षित्वम उपपद्यते, and because of which Atma will become buddhivritti bhava and abhava sakshi. Now you see, this is the question. Atma is there, buddhivritti is there. Atma is sakshi of buddhivritti, buddhi and buddhivritti. What is the role of Chidabhasa in that? If Atma is illuminator of Buddhi and Buddhi Vritti, Atmanaha Buddhi Vritti Bhava Abhava Sakshitvam Upapadyate. What is the role of Chidabhasa? Yes.
To Vishaya Kalhandam. To Vishaya Kalhandam. Vishaya Kalhandam.
Yeah, but Atma for Buddhi Grahanam, Buddhi Vritti Grahanam, does it use Chidabhasa?
It needs Chidabhasa, otherwise there will be continuous bhanam of the Buddhi Vritti. And also, if we will moksha or bandha, that will not be possible. Moksha.
No. Question is only this much.
It needs Chidabhasa.
It doesn't mean. So earlier first point that you said that otherwise same vritti will continue. That is not correct.
Sakshi?
Atma is Sakshi. What is the question?
Sakshi cannot have Adhyasa with Buddhi. So if the Adhyasa has to happen, it should happen between Chidabhasa and Buddhi.
What is the question? First you understand. Question is for Atma to illumine Buddhi or Buddhi Vritti. Where is the role of Chidabhasa?
For Atma to illumine directly, there is no need for Chidabhasa.
What is the line you read line again? आभास द्वारा तु संबंधात आत्मनो बुद्धि वृत्ति भावाभाव साक्षित्वम उपपद्यते. That is the line. Atma illumining buddhi is called Chidabhasa formation. Atma illumining buddhi is called Chidabhasa formation. That's why he says Abhasa Dwara. Sunlight reflecting in the mirror is called, or sunlight appearing in the mirror is called sun's reflection in the mirror. When sunlight illumines ghataha, there is no reflection. When sunlight illumines mirror, reflection comes. So Atma illumining buddhi means there is Chidabhasa formation. Chidabhasa formation is not a separate activity. Atma is always there. Buddhi is there in Jagrat Swapna. So Chidabhasa is always there in Jagrat Swapna. It is like as long as mirror is in front of sun, it will go on reflecting. See, these simple things require a lot of clarity. Now you read the same sentence. Abhasa dwara tu sambandhat. Through Abhasa, there is now sambandha between Atma and Buddhi Vritti. Atmano Buddhi Vritti Bhava Abhava Sakshitvam. Atmanaha Sakshitvam. Now Atma is called Sakshi. When Abhasa formation takes place, then Atma gets the name Sakshi. Sakshitvam Upapadyate. One sentence is over here. If you want to put comma there. Because in the whole thing, there are only two sentences in Tika. But you have to understand there are different parts. Buddhescha tadgraha, atmagraha, aham asmi iti upapannaha syat. And buddhi, once the Chidabhasa is there, buddhi will say aham asmi. Atma is now available to express as individual. Now, Purvapakshi has a doubt. Because in 83rd shloka, Siddhanti gave the example of Tapta Ayapinda, and the Visfulinga is like the Buddhi Vritti. So he says, Tapta Ayo Visfulinga Vat iti Drishtanta Abhidhanat Atmano Vikara Praptim Shankate. Tapta Ayo Visfulinga Vat, like the heated iron ball. If you give that as the example, Purvapakshi says, Atma will be vikari. Atmano vikara praptim shankate. Nanvevam drishi sankranti rayah pindegnivad bhavet mukhabhasavadityeta दादर्शे तन्निराकृतम् नन्वेवं दृशि संक्रांति रयः पिण्डेऽग्निवत् भवेत् मुखाभासवदित्येत दादर्शे तन्निराकृतम् ननु एवं अयः पिण्डे अग्निवत् दृशि संक्रांति ही भवेत्. Purvapaksh. This first line is Purvapaksh. Then in that case, evam sati drish agni ayapinde agnivat, like in the iron ball, how agni sankramanam takes place. Agni has entered. Agnivat drishi sankrantihi. Atma entered in buddhi. So Atma has done sankramanam. So like Agni is now undergoing modification. Atma also undergoes modification. This is Purvapaksha. Siddhanti says, I gave another example that also you remember. Mukha bhasavadityetad adarshe tan nirakratam. If you take the example of mirror and the reflection in the mirror of the face, reflection in the mirror, mukha bhasavat iti etat adarshe, adarsha drishtante, tan nirakratam, tad vikara prapti, that modification aspect is removed, is refuted. Ayah pinde agni sankrantivat, in the iron ball, Agni Sankramanam takes place. Like that, Buddhau Drishi Sankranti hi vikaro bhave dityartha. There vikara is possible. Pariharati mukha bhasavat iti. Tadetat chodyam adarshe mukha bhasavat iti. Drishtantena prabandhena nirakratam ityartha. Chodyam, we have already said this earlier. What? That Adarshe Mukha Bhasa, this Drishtanta he has been giving from 30th shloka. Mukha Bhasavat iti Drishtantena Prabandhena, by this Drishtanta Prabandha, Nirakratam. Nirakratam kim?
Atmanah vikaritvam.
Vikaritvam. Atmanah vikaritvam nirakratam. Yatha, now he explains that. Mukhasya adarshe pratibimbitasya tatsthatvena rupena mithyatvam तथा बुद्धौ प्रतिबिंबितस्य चिदात्मनो बुद्धिधर्मत्वेन अवभासे मृषा इति पूर्वम उक्तम सर्वम इह अनुसंधेयम इति भावः. Whatever we have already said from 30 to 84, you have to remember everything, not just that one drishtanta and say, see, you are giving ayapinda drishtanta, there is agni vikara, like that atma is vikari. Everything you have to remember. Yatha mukhasya adarshe pratibimbitasya, like mukha pratibimba takes place in adarsha, adarshe pratibimbitasya mukhasya, tatsthatvena rupena mithyatvam. This you will see in Siddhanta Bindu. Adarsha, in Adarsha there is mukham. That Adarsha Sthita Mukham is Pratibimba or Abhasa, what is called here. That Pratibimba is Bimbatvena Satya. Pratibimbatvena Mithya. So he gives here. Mukhasya Adarshe Pratibimbitasya Tatsthatvena Rupena Mithyatva. If you say the mukham is in mirror, it will get the attributes of mirror. That is mithya. तथा बुद्धौ प्रतिबिंबितस्य चिदात्मनो बुद्धि धर्मत्वेन अवभासे मृषा. Chaitanya Atma is there in buddhi. If you say, that is mithya. Chaitanya Atma is different from what is in buddhi, is satya. Iti purvamuktam, what we have already said, is sarvam iha anusandeyam. Everything you should remember here. So this is the main thing of Pratibimba-vada and Abhasa-vada. So this line here is of Abhasa-vada actually. Because according to Abhasa-vada, Pratibimba is mithya. Pratibimbatvena mithya. This is Abhasa-vada. Pratibimbam bimbatvena satya. This is Pratibimba-vada. You will see immediately in tomorrow's Siddhanta Bindu. Tarhi katham taptayo visfulinga drishtanta uktas tatra vikar prasiddher darshtantika ananurupatvat iti ashankya vivakshitamshasya ihapi sambhavat maivam ityaha. Tarhi katham taptaya tapta ayo visfulinga drishtanta uktaha. Then Purvapakshi, because according to that, Agni is vikari. Katham uktaha. Tatra vikara prasiddhehe darshtantika ananurupatvat. Their vikara is very well known and therefore it is not appropriate drishtanta. In drishtanta there is vikaritvam. In darshtanta there is avikaritvam. So darshtantika ananurupatvat tasya drishtantasya. Drishtanta is ananurupa of darshtanta. Iti ashankya vivakshitamshasya ihapi sambhavat maivam. Siddhanti says you have to just take only vivakshita amsha, not everything. Vivakshitamshasya ihapi sambhavat. Iha means in ayo visfulinga drishtanta. Krishnayo lohita bhasa nityetad drashtamuchyate drashtadarshtant tulyatvam natu sarvatmana kvachit. Krishnayo lohita bhasa nityetad drashtamuchyate drashtadarshtant tulyatvam natu sarvatmana kvachit. Siddhanti says Krishna ayo lohita abhasam iti etad drishtam uchyate. The only similarity between drishtanta and darshtanta is of the abhasa. Just like the black atma means a black iron ball. Krishna ayo lohita abhasam gets the lohita abhasa. It appears red when it is in the proximity of fire. Like that, Jada Buddhi appears of the nature of Prakasha when it is in the proximity of Chaitanya. Only this much is the part of the Drishtanta. You say Agni is Vikari, therefore Atma also is Vikari. All that is not what is intended there. Drishta Darshtanta Tulyatvam Sarvatmana na tu kvachit. That whatever is in Drishtanta, 100% it has to be in Darshtanta is never possible. Only one or few amshas will be similar. So upama, when they give, it is only one aspect, one of drishtanta, one of darshtanta. Bas. कृष्ण वर्णमयो लोहिताभासम लोहित वर्णम अवभास इति एतत् एतावदेव दृष्टम दृष्टांत उच्यते। कृष्ण वर्णमयो लोहिताभासम लोहित वर्णम अवभास। कृष्ण वर्ण अयः अयः the iron ball which is dark in color. In that lohitabhasam, lohita varnam avabhasa, the redness appears. Only this much is the drishtanta aspect. Etavadeva drishtam. Drishtanta uchyate. Uchyate, what is the dhatu?
Brodhat.
Bru dhatu. Brui. Ottayam. Any other answer? Vach paribhashane is also same. Both कर्मणि प्रयोग लट्लकार in atmanepada uchyate. And uktaha, earlier we saw, kathan tarhi taptaya tapta ayo vispulinga drishtanta uktaha. Uktaha is
Nishtha.
Vachda.
nishtha pratyaya. New students, those who are learning pratyas, what is the sutra for nishtha pratyaya? Okay, anybody else?
Nishtha.
What is Sangya Sutra?
Taktavatu nishtha.
Tattavatu Nishtha is Sangya Sutra. So iti etavadeva drashtam drishtanta uchyate. Jadaya buddhehi chaitanya abhasatvam ityarthah. Jada buddhi has chaitanya abhasatvam. सर्वांश साम्यम अनुपपन्नम इत्याह दृष्ट दार्ष्टान्त तुल्यत्वम न तो सर्वात्मना क्वचित्. सर्वांश साम्यत्वम is never possible 100%, and that too for atma you will not get any drishtanta. अप्रकाशाद्यात्मनो मुखादेश चंद्रादि दृष्टांत अभाव प्रसंगाद इति भाव. Mukha, which is of the nature of aprakasha. Aprakashadi atmanah. Atma here means not Satchidananda Atma. Atma means of the nature of or of the Rupa. Mukha, which is of the Rupa of aprakasha. But Chandra Drishtanta is given. Chandra has some prakasha. Beautiful. So it is only Drishtanta. Otherwise, you will never be able to give such drishtanta. दृष्टान्ते विवक्षितम अंशम उक्त्वा दार्ष्टान्तिके अपि तथा विधम अंशम दर्शयति. In दृष्टान्त विवक्षित अंश is said. Now in दार्ष्टान्तिक also तथा विधम. तथैव चेतनाभासम चित्तं चैतन्यवद् भवेत्. मुखाभासो यथा दर्शे आभासश्चोदितो मृषा तथैव चेतनाभासं चित्तं चैतन्यवद् भवेत् मुखाभासो यथा दर्शे आभासश्चोदितो मृषा तथैव in the same way तथैव चित्तं चेतनाभासं चैतन्यवद् भवेत् यथा आदर्शे मुखाभासो आभासश्च मृषा उदितः. So you have to read this way. Yatha adarshe mukhabhaso abhasasya mrisha uditaha tatha chittam chetanabhasam chaitanyavad bhavet. But mrisha also. Mrisha api bhavet. You can split it as two vakyas also because there are two things. One is Chittam gets the Chidabhasa, it appears as Chaitanya, Chaitanyavad Bhavi, Chaitanyavan, or like Chaitanya. And second is that Chidabhasa is Mithya. Chetanayaha abhaso yasmins Chetanabhasam Chittam Chaitanyavad Chetanam iva bhavet. Sacha abhaso yatha darshe mukhabhaso avikrita evam eva ihapi drashtavya. Chetanayaha abhasa chaitanyasya abhasya yasmin chetanabhasam chittam, that in which this chetanabhasam chittam this abhasa appears. Chaitanyavat chaitanyam chetanam iva bhavet. Chitta becomes like Chaitanya. Such abhaso yatha adarshe mukhabhaso avikrita. Mukha abhasa appears in adarsha. Vikar may appear in the pratibimba, not in bimba. So Atma does not undergo modification. Means I am avikari. This whole discussion is to tell nothing is actually happening to me. I am not involved in any vyavahara. This is the reality. Atma is avyavaharya. Naiva kinchit karomiti yukto manyata tattvavita pashyan shranvan sprishan jigran ashnan gachan swapan shwasan. Then
Pralapan visajan
Pralapan
graham nimishan napi.
Unmishan nimishan napi.
Pralapan.
Indriyani Indriyani.
vartanta iti dharaya. So this is my real nature. Even though Indriyas are doing some Indriya Vyapara, some activities going on, sometimes I am disturbed, sometimes this, that. Knowledge will help me only if I know how to use knowledge. Like with anything else. Fire will help me only if I know how to use fire. Knife will help me if I know how to use knife. If I am very good at taking notes, memorizing, I don't know how to use it. When the crisis comes for myself, then this is not a saving knowledge. And the fault is ours, then it is not the fault of knowledge or teacher or Shastra. Evam ihapi drashtavyaha, that Just as Adarshe Mukhabhasa is there, but original Mukha is Avikrita only. And Abhasascha Upadhistha Taya Drishyamano Mrisha Mithya iti udita. And this Abhasa which is there in Upadhi is Mithya. Mrisha Mithya iti udita. Ukta. This is the whole idea. You create, you explain, you justify an entity called Abhasa, which is samsari. Bandhana is there. And that samsari is mithya. Atma is nitya shuddha buddha mukta. How I get convinced of these ideas, then I should be able to see that in myself. That there is this mithya entity which is doing vyavahara, which is samsari. Samsari means it has shita ushna, raga dvesha, mana apamana, all those things. Jaya parajaya. It's bound to be dukhi. And I should know how to separate myself from this. Kasmat chidabhasa vyaptya chittasya chetana avabhaso abhipagamyate na swataha iti shanka na karya. In this text, I am not elaborating a lot of other vyavaharik application of this knowledge, what you should do, what you should not do, this, that. I am assuming you all are doing this chintanam. If you are not doing, you will not benefit. So that is your responsibility. Kasmat chidabhasa vyaptya, when chidabhasa vyapti takes place in chitta, chittasya, chetanata avabhaso abhipagamyate na swataha. Why don't you say chitta is swataha, having chaitanya? Why you want to say when chidabhasa is available, then only chitta has ability to know, etc. Iti shanka na karya. Why? Tatra pramana nyaya yoho abhavat itya. There is no pramana for this, that chaitanya, chitta is swayam prakasha. There is no nyaya, yukti, that chittam is swayam prakasha. Chittam chetanam ityeta shastra yukti vivarjitam dehasyapi prasangasyat chakshurades tathaiva cha chittam chetanamityeta shastra yukti vivarjitam dehasyapi prasangasyat chakshurades tathaiva cha chittam chetanam iti etat shastra yukti vivarjitam. Chittam is chetanam. There is no shastra pramana, there is no yukti in that. Shastra yukti vivarjitam etat. And if you insist, no, chittam is chetanam, dehasyapi prasangasya, then deha is also chaitanya, and chakshuradi indriyas are also chaitanya. Then this jada chetana vibhaga will not remain. Deha, indriya, antakarana, everything will be chetanam only. Utpatti vinashavat taya anya drishyasyapi chittasya chet chetanata swabhavah syat tada ati prasangasya dushparihara ityaha. That which has utpatti vinasha is drishya. If it is drishya, it is jada. Utpatti vinashavat taya anya drishyasyapi. Utpatti vinashavat taya anya drishyasyapi. Anything like chitta, other than chitta, like deha, indriya. Everything will have chetana swabhava, then there will be ati prasanga. And dushparihara, it will be difficult to refute. Don't go to extreme. They are all jada. Only when Chidabhasa is available, then Chitta becomes Chetana. Then Paramparaya, Indriya, and then Deha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.